Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your laptop has the current OS updates and at least 5% free disk space so temporary files can be written. Once done, confirm your network is stable. Wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduces failures. Then, sign into Chrome and sync bookmarks or export them as an HTML file as a safety net. Now, close all Chrome windows and taskbar processes. This prevents file locks during the update and prepares you for the installer steps ahead. You open Chrome's menu, go to Help then about Google Chrome to force an update, and note any error codes you see. If the update still fails, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall. These often block installers, and then try again. If that doesn't work, use your OS repair option or fully uninstall Chrome, then reinstall using the latest installer you downloaded earlier. Make sure to restart the laptop between steps. That clears locked files and lets services restart cleanly before retrying. You finish by confirming Chrome shows the newest version, then re-enable your antivirus and firewall and sign back into sync so bookmarks and settings return. If Chrome runs slow or behaves oddly, clear the cache and disable extensions, testing in incognito or guest mode to isolate the cause. If the update still fails, capture the exact error code, run the Chrome cleanup tool, and check your system logs such as Windows Event Viewer. These details will guide the next troubleshooting step or support request.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.